Flooding, landslides, cyclones, droughts, forest fires, earthquakes, and unseasonal rains are just the start of disasters on the rise. India, the fifth most vulnerable country to climate disasters, is estimated to have 4.5 crore climate change refugees by 2050, and that is just one nation. The world which our upcoming generations are being handed is rife with disaster and uncertainty. Studies show that over 74% of India's districts are vulnerable to extreme climate events, with 27 out of 35 states and union territories being affected. Clean and renewable energy is the need of the hour, and we have a duty to ourselves and our loved ones to make sure we mitigate some of these devastating outcomes of climate change. Imagine a world where clean, sustainable energy is accessible to everyone and the fear of climate change-related devastation became a thing of the past. Stepping up to this need, Contendre Solar has taken its success in the textile and infrastructure industries to ensure that we have a better, healthier, and safer lifestyle. Contendre Solar, an ISO-certified solar manufacturing and solutions company, was birthed with the aim of providing non-polluting, renewable energy to all and empowering one another to minimize our carbon footprint. Believing that both corporates and individuals who strive to be responsible by minimizing their carbon footprint should have access to cost-effective, high-quality, and high-performing renewable solutions, there is no limit to the efforts we'll take. As India's most premium integrated solar PV manufacturing and solutions company, we ensure that quality and every single part is carefully curated for the best customer experience. With our state-of-the-art production facility, advanced European machineries and equipment and experienced, well-motivated workforce, we continually offer our clients the absolute best-in-class, full spectrum of photovoltaic solar products that are made in India. Spanning from power plants to government projects, private industries or domestic residences, Contendre has had the honor to serve nearly every single sector with excellence. Sustainable energy is believed to just decrease your carbon footprint, but the reality is, it improves public health, fuels your local communities and is more affordable in the long run. These benefits have already been recognized by industry leaders and esteemed government PSUs like Steel Authority India Limited, Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, South East Central Railway, Uttarakhand Power Corporation Limited, Kerala State Electricity Board and many more who have been enjoying the modules supplied by Contendre. Owing to our highly durable and efficient products, superior quality, cost efficiency and commitment to customer service, Contendre Solar has grown leaps and bounds. The world's demand for electric energy is undergoing a new round of transformation. In order to meet this strong, continuous demand brought by the energy transformation, Contendre has made an ambitious capacity expansion plan, adhering to the business philosophy of leading, expanding production with advanced technology, where every new production capacity is a new upgrade of product technology. Contendre Solar will grow threefolds by the end of the next financial year. We won't stop making sure your world is a better place. Will you join us? Contendre Solar. Solarizing your world.